We don't want dairy cows to cough. To be honest, all we want dairy cows to do is to eat grass, ruminate and chew the cud. We want to minimise everything else because everything else is not productive. Coughing means the cow is eating less because she's annoyed, she's not ruminating and she's probably not lying down as well. She's standing in a field coughing. That means less intake, less energy going into the animal, less milk being produced. Also, if we let coughing go on far enough, the respiratory system can fail, can become overwhelmed, and we have a precursor for pneumonia, which is obviously a disastrous disease in bovines.